Hi, in this video we'll show how to upgrade an account.
An account upgrade is needed if we, for instance, want to sell stamps.
To upgrade your account, click My Profile. In My Profile you will find this orange button saying Upgrade Account. Please click it. We can now choose what kind of membership upgrade we would like to make. In this table we can read what is included in the different membership levels. On top we can choose if we want to upgrade 3, 6 or 12 months. For instance, the seller membership for 3 months costs $39.95. 6 months costs $59.95 and 12 months costs $99.95. In our example, we would like to purchase 6 months seller membership. We do so by clicking the circle here in front of the text saying 6 months, $59.95. We can see the black mark now inside the circle to indicate we have clicked it. The next thing to do is to click the select button located underneath. Click select. We are now being asked if we are sure we want to buy a 6-month seller membership subscription. If we are not sure, we could click the red X. Since we are sure we want to buy the subscription, we click Continue to Payment. In this payment box, we can find information about our order.
We can see that our subscription is a 6-month subscription,
which costs $59.95. Please note, the subscription will be rebuilt automatically until cancelled. We can cancel our subscription at any time we like. To see how, watch the video named Cancel Subscription.
We will now look at the billing information below. We need to fill in the information boxes in order to complete our order. If there is a star sign sometimes, it means it is a mandatory information field we are required to fill out. Please note, if some of the information boxes are already filled, it's because you have entered them in your profile. If they are not true, you can change them below. First, you need to enter your email address, your first name, your last name, and your phone number. Field 2 is the name of the buyer. This field is automatically filled out with the name we wrote above. It might sometimes be different than the first and last name we gave above. Then we can change it here. For now, we will keep it as it is. Now you need to enter your street, your city, your zip code, and your country. The section called Shipping Information is used if the billing address is different than the shipping address. This is not the case, so therefore always click this box. Then we have told shipping and billing address are the same. The other information fields are now gray and we do not need to fill them out. If we have a discount code, we can enter it here in the field saying discount code.
We have now filled out all the information fields we need in this page and can click to continue checkout. Click Continue Checkout.
In this page, we'll finalize the payment. We are buying a rebilling product. The product is a seller 6-month membership. It will rebill until cancelled. We must confirm our name and address information. Check to see that the name, email, phone, address, city, country and zip code are all correct. After doing so, we can select our payment method. We can choose between credit card, debit card or PayPal. All major cards are accepted. This includes naturally Visa and MasterCard as well. If we select credit card or debit card, we must enter our card details. First enter the name on the card, then enter card number. The expiration month is found on the front of the card. Typically, month and year is written like month/year. On my card, it says 4/17. The CVV2 code is found on the back of the card. It is the last 3 digits on a Visa and MasterCard. To get more information, you can mouse over this question mark. Here you will see where to find the code if you use Visa and MasterCard. Also, you can see where the code is located on American Express. When we have finalized all the details, we can click Continue. Our payment will now be finalized to complete our account upgrade. If you wish to pay by PayPal, you can do so. Simply choose PayPal in the payment method. We do not need to fill out any account information here. When we click Continue, we will be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the transaction. Click Continue. Enter the PayPal account email. Enter the password. Click the yellow Login button and you will have completed your transaction. We have now shown you how to upgrade your account. When the account has been upgraded, all the seller features in StainBolt will automatically be unlocked. We hope you enjoy your new membership level in StainBolt. Have a nice day.